So I'm making a mocha cupcakes. I've done a previous video on the chocolate Swiss meringue icing. And for the mocha I use self-raising flour, caster sugar, baking powder. I've got vanilla extract, cocoa powder, coffee and 2 eggs, and I've got butter, which is not in the scene at the moment. And I mix all this together, and I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. See, the mixture's quite dry still. That's why we need the coffee that I have here to go in it in a sec. But I've also put, it says 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee. I don't put big tablespoons. I kind of just judge it because it depends on how much coffee you like, and I don't want to make it too strong because my 7-year-old really loves my cupcakes and I don't want to give him that much caffeine. So I'm just going to mix that up. I'm going to put a little bit of the liquid in to make it a bit more liquid. I'm just adding a little bit more. I don't want it to go too liquidy, but enough for me to pop it in to the cupcake mold. As you can see, that's quite a nice consistency. I haven't put all of the coffee in because I don't want it to be too runny. So now I should be able to put them in my cupcakes. So I like to use an old-fashioned ice cream scoop. This one used to belong to my mum. And I'm literally just gonna scoop that in there, and that gives it equal amount. So I'm gonna fill all them up. It's all filled up now. I'm just literally gonna put that in the oven. And I like to do mine on 10-minute intervals and then check it. So that's 10 minutes. I don't open it, I just check it. And then I'll put another 10 minutes on because I know it takes about 20-25 minutes, but I like to check it because this oven's a bit temperamental on me. It's very old. That's been only 20 minutes and I've stuck a skewer in and it is done. So that is my cupcakes done. I let them to cool and then I will put the icing on and show you how that goes. So these are my cupcakes and I've now put the icing in a big icing bag. And I'm literally going to start piping. So I like to keep them in here because this is a tub that's, I can put the lid on later and then I don't have to move them. So I'm going to start from the outside and I'm just going to push and work my way into the middle. I'm just going to do that on all of these. You can get some chocolates and Maltesers or whatever to decorate, but it's not necessary. I'm just going to go around all the time, keep pushing my icing down. And in a minute I'm going to need to load the bag up again because I'm running out. Whoop. Oh, that one went a bit skewy. So I use like just a glass just to hold my piping bag. Oh. And I've just loaded it up again. There might be some air. Oh, there we go. There's the air. I'm just going to go around as quick as I can. Pushing it down again. And I've literally got one more to do. Open my bag a little bit. I'm only need a little bit, so I'm going to put that in there. Push that down. And then do this one. Oh dear. Don't worry if there's air, you can get around it. And there we go. And there are my Lovely cupcakes, all ready to be eaten.